I received this video and some other information from an unknown source. It was emailed to me. It's kind of random, but it's emailed to me, and I've been looking into it, and it does not look good for San Angelo Police Department or Judge Susan Werner. One of the two people involved is already in prison. They put them through the system really fast, and I think I know why now. But the other one, they're trying to put her away too. But I talked to her, explained why I was contacting her, and she was upfront about everything. This is the affidavit that the warrant was based on that they left at the scene. And this is a copy of the actual warrant. They should have a better way of doing this, not just fill in the blank. I mean, anybody can put 1 o'clock. But it says that the warrant was issued at 1 p.m. September 28th. But that contradicts the admissions made by the police officers at the raid. Why were they worried about getting a warrant signed and having a warrant at 1:45, 1:50? I mean, up to a little after 2 o'clock.
Police search warrant! Police search warrant! Open up! Police search warrant! Police search warrant! Open up! Police search warrant! Police with the warrant, hands up! Hang out here for that. Sure.
This phone call is important.
Fire drill. I didn't know they were going to come out over there. The use ran a search warrant on narcotics 5434 in system.
The only time a law enforcement officer worries about a camera is if they've done something they weren't supposed to do, or doing something they're not supposed to be doing. This guy is about to ask this guy, "Are we good?" And this guy responds, "Yeah." I'm pretty sure this is the guy that can sign the judge's signature when she's not present. But he has to have the okay. And check out the timestamp, 2:09, whenever this happens. The same time that the San Angelo Police Department put on their post that the raid was executed. Because they didn't have the okay yet until this point. But they've already been done with the raid for like 30 minutes. And they're still worried about the camera. And the crazy thing about this guy right here, it might be coincidence, but I have seen that guy it seems like constantly, but several times in the last few months. The last time I seen him was about 5-6 days ago at the convenience store, but I see that dude all the time. I think he might have been following me, but I may be wrong. Maybe just coincidence. Regardless of the reason they wanted to search the house, it's irrelevant. You have to have a warrant to search a house. But it looked like they had a legitimate reason to want to search the house, but I really don't think they had a warrant at the time of the search. In that case, Judge Werner saying she signed this warrant at 1 o'clock is falsifying government documents.